In this video, let's talk about the best custom automotive spacers price. The best price of brand new custom automotive spacers start from $100. The specific price depends on the thickness and the materials you choose. Certainly, different companies use different manufacturing process, so the price can be different. Not all wheel spacers are made the same. Using high-quality, precision-engineered custom automotive spacers designed specifically for your vehicle and driving conditions can be perfectly safe. However, opting for cheap, universal fit spacers is asking for trouble that could endanger your safety and that of others on the road. Good quality wheel spacers made from forged aluminum alloy are extremely strong and designed to handle the immense forces experienced at each corner. So, it is critical to use spacers from a reputable manufacturer and to follow their installation instructions precisely. How to choose the best custom automotive spacers? Vehicle specifications. It is important to choose spacers that are compatible with your specific vehicle's make and model. The bolt pattern, center bolt, and thickness must match the vehicle's requirements. Spacer thickness. The thickness of the spacer will determine how much the wheel is pushed outward from the hub. Simply put, a 1-inch wheel spacer will push the wheel's entire out about 25 mm, while a wider stance makes your car look nice. It is essential to find a balance that using your driving style and vehicle type. Material quality. Always choose high-quality automotive spacers, such as aluminum ring spacers, which can withstand the stress of driving. Not all wheel spacers are built the same. There are different materials, construction metals, and quality control standards used for a performance vehicle. You need wheel spacers designed with safety as the top priority. This is where Bonus wheel spacers truly shine. Bonus forged active cooling wheel spacers are made of top-quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum alloys. High tensile strength gives it strong resistance to being pushed apart, making it resistant to being and breaking. Intended use. Consider the intended use of your vehicle if you plan on using it for racing or off-roading. Investing in high-performance, top-centric spacers may be worth the extra cost. Once again, money is great. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.